Color Chicos guys, welcome back. Today let's dive into a quick image retouching. Come on, let's get started. If you've made it this far, it's an amazing journey. Thank you. And don't also forget to hit the likes button and also comment and give us a review on this video. Don't also forget to hit the notification bell so as not to miss amazing content like this. If you want us to work on something next for our next project, or you have something in mind that you wish we could do, just put it in the comment section. Thank you, one love.